Yo, how we doing, guys? How we doing? I'm back to record the second part. No, not the second part. We're already like the fourth part. What the fuck am I talking? Alright, let's go. Oh shit, I'm in the goddamn mini. Come on. Shit, go crazy. Yo, where you going, boy? What you think you're playing? Motor Storm? Sorry. Oh, I'm pressing L2. Oh, you could throw bombs. I'm so stupid. What am I doing? Holy shit. Get wrecked, bitch. Shut your... Lena, go faster. Yeah, that's what I talk about, girl. You know what? I might just date you. Shit. Man, fuck y'all. That ain't do shit. Ah, shit. Bro, how the fuck... How do the car blow with all those fucking bullets hitting it? Like... Stop, bitch. Can you go any faster than this? You're literally going so slow. Shut your ass up. Oh, shit. Man, fuck y'all. Just die already. Nah, goddamn truck. Fuck, man. This shit's some crazy shit. My boo sticks. Fuck you guys. I missed? Fuck you guys. Hey, there you go. How the fuck did I miss that shit? Oh shit. Lena, you trying to kill us or what, my girl? Now we gotta shoot forward. Come on, we got this. Man, fuck you. Go to the right, Elena. You don't want to be in the same. Oh shit. These motherfuckers, man. See, I'm trying to have some a really good time with Lena. Oh, bastard, man, I can't go missing nowhere without getting attacked. I think I didn't see you guys hiding right there, bro. Are you serious right now? Come here. Fuck you too. Shoot the fucking thing so I go down there. Come get us. Imagine you could throw a bomb up there and it just falls down. We just went through the back cave. What the fuck? Oh, we are at the back cave. Fuck these rocks. Come on, Elena, you got this. Shit, man, this is some... That's how you die, boy. Now, just get out of my... Oh, shit! Yes, sir. That's how we do it, Elena. Now go through that shit. Yeah. That worked one time.
Just an old business. So look out! Oh no!
We're fucked.
Okay. Here.
Out to water. I could land on that shit. Never mind.
I said, hold on.
I am.
Well, hand it over.
Well, now you told me not to move. Looks like you're gonna have to come get it.
Come
We got this bitch. Fuck you. Ah, shit.
Go!
Now we're over here on the drowned city. We're getting fucking hit. Elena, hurry your ass up. You're getting fucking shot and shit.
God's sake.
Ah! The go. One shot back, bitch. It's a one shot back. Boom! Haha! Boom! Oh shit! Boom! Haha! Come on, bitch. I'm just too good. Just kidding. No, but still. You deserve to blow up, bitch. I missed. Nah, fuck you then. What? Ah, fuck you.
Okay.
Oh, please, sir. I have no more ammo. Just kidding. I missed 2 times. You saw that, Elena? I missed. Nah, fuck. I'm just kidding. I didn't even hit her. Alright, come on. Get the shit up. Elena, go through. Go do the other chain. Never mind, I guess it just holds still. Ah, fuck. Oh, yeah. I love this Easter egg right here. If you know where this Easter egg is from, y'all some sexy motherfuckers.
I don't get it. How does
Fuck it, I'm
a whole
accelerating with
colony
R1.
just drop out of this-
Oh, shit. Nah, fuck that. I ain't going over there. Think I'm about to blow up over there? You got me fucked up. Oh my god, I can't even drive this shit. This is so stupid to drive. Okay. Fuck! Bro, what the fuck? You gotta be shitting. Oh shit. Destroy that shit. Let's go. Come on, Elena. Come on, Elena. We gotta go through here. Come on. Elena, fuck you. Well, you miss. Well, I'm the one aiming, but well, you miss, bitch. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Clear the area, Elena. Clear the area. Oh shit, I almost died right there. Clear it, clear it, clear it. Come on, come on, come on. Where we going? Oh shit. Nah, fuck it. We got this. We don't need to blow that shit up. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Ah, man, this mission is so annoying. Hurry up, Elena. Damn. Oh! I almost fucked it up. Really? That was the most weakest fucking jump. Okay. Now, Elena, if you want to leave, you could go ahead and take him. I'm about to go do my shit.
Looks like that cable would get us up there.
Ooh.
Let's go check it out.
No,
I'll
no
stay
shit.
here
Let's
and
go.
Keep an eye on our ride.
Yeah, stay here.
Figure a way to
I don't
get
need
us to
you.
that tower.
I don't need you, Elaine. It's okay. Oh, fuck! Actually, I kind of need you as a distraction. Fuck. You know what? Yeah, fuck you. What? You didn't die, but the other one died. The one that was far away from it. What? Fuck. Alright, there you go. Fucking dumb bitch. Oh, what the fuck? Nah, they took too much offense with that shit. Man. Oh, I forgot. I don't have grenades, right? Fucking shit. Get out of the fucking covers, Nathan. What the fuck are you doing? If you get blown up right now, it's not... Well, it is my fault, because I'm the one controlling you. Man, fucking bitch. Oh, fuck, 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 fuck. Damn, what the fuck? Man, fuck you too. And then fuck you too. You know what? I'm getting that fucking, I'm getting the fucking rock... grenade launcher, whatever the fuck it is. I'm getting that. Where is he? Yeah. Man, fuck you. Get in cover. Where you at? I know there's more. Man, shut your ass up. Come on. Wasn't there more than that? Oh, he was. Screw you. Screw you. Get in cover, boy. I'm about to shoot these motherfuckers too. Come on. Actually, can I shoot the... There's gonna be a big group here, right? I mean, I kinda did it. I don't care. Oh, switch up, bitch. Okay, where am I? Can I jump here? No. Is it about, like, jumping these things? Oh, okay. Oh, shit. What are you gonna do, you fucking bitch? I missed that shit so fucking bad. Do I... Oh. No. It's the other side. Now you just jump here. Whoop. Bada bim. Bada boom. And let's go. Just like Nathan Drake. Oh, wait, this is Nathan. Open that shit up. Come on, Elena. Let's get out of here. Oh, man. Come on. Let's go. Oh, wait, yeah. I keep fucking pressing R2 to drive. It's not even R2, it's X. I keep thinking this is fucking GTA. Or any other... Oh. Wow. I just shit again, right? I just want to be done with this mission already. Oh my god, bro. You know what? I'm dead. Yep. Come on. Get out of here. Oh my god, I guess I gotta stay away from the fucking bombs. Yeah, right. Fucking shit. Come on. Where do we go? Oh, it's this side. What am I doing? Alright, come on. Shoot that. Keep going this side. What? There's no way he just one-shot me. He's over here. Who the fuck said that? Who the fuck said that? Are you serious? Where was this guy? No, sit your ass down, bitch. What the fuck about your bitch ass? Now you too, bitch. I know you're here. Goofy ass motherfucker. Okay. Now, do we go up here? We do. Gotta keep going up the fucking chains. What? The fuck? Are you okay. I jumped like a dumbass just for it to say triangle. Are you fucking okay. Gonna jump up here. I'm gonna keep going up, Nathan. Oh no, wait, no, we gotta go this way. Alright, now jump here. Now we gotta move this chain.
Another one.
We move that chain there. And then we jump it and we get no, we don't. We don't jump it. We gotta go back. You saw how, you know, it showed me like a different way? Yeah. We gotta do that shit now. Come on. Go up. Jump it. Yeah, jump it. Yeah. It's good, Nathan. Now we gotta go here. And then we go... We go up? No, no, no. We go... What? Fuck do we go? Oh. Was that a ghost? You saw that shit? Nah, bro. That shit was creepy as fuck. What the fuck was that? Come on. I see him in fucking heights. I saw you. You know what? I saw you through the fucking wall, you dumb bitch! The zip play, finally! Oh shit, I'm so stupid. I pressed X to the triangle, but it still caught on. Alright, good. Shit, nah, fuck you, I'm not gonna let you in. Of course I'm letting you in. Just give me a fucking second. Oh, of course.
Stand back.
Alright, go.
All right.
He says stand back, she
Find a way
just
to
stay
the
there.
harbor and hope the boat's still there.
Alright. Oh, well, guess what? This is the next fucking... The next... I can't even talk. I'm so fucking frustrated that all those shit that I died and shit, man. Fucking pissed. I will see you guys next video. Oh yeah, and there's more things coming soon. There's a lot of things that are gonna be changing, and it's gonna be amazing. Not changing, but new stuff. Basically, nothing is changing. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, guys.